Your girl get the neck, get the twitching, you heard me? Cause you said what? Who is she talking to? How am I with?
Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars went all the way for but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? It's the face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And hold on, let me put my bunny down. Hold on, cause I look a little ugly right now. Hey y'all, my name is Dominique LaShae. For those who don't know me, and if you do know me, you know Allofdestiny is my sister. So if you follow her on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you follow her at, you know she is currently in Miami right now. What can I film? So I'm finna transform myself into Allofdestiny. So first, it's the makeup. So if y'all know me, y'all know Allofdestiny and D-Side is really into the makeup. Like they really into it. I'm not really that into it, but we finna get into it today. But I got to go on YouTube live because I need the girlies to help me out with the makeup. First thing is foundation. We going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. What color is this? Foundation. Normally, I don't know what color. Oh, 350 coconut. No, girl. 355 coconut. I don't know if this is my skin tone. I don't know if this the color for me. I don't know. But she be using this little egg looking thing right here. And I know you supposed to beat it into your face. I'm making a YouTube video right now, y'all. Just stay right there. So we gonna put a little bit on my wrist right here. Hold up, we need a little more than it. I wonder, can you mix this with water to make more? Cause it's not that much coming out. If you beat on stuff, usually you get a lot. Okay, there we go. That should be enough right there. So y'all, she be taking this little egg looking thing and she be beating it into her face. So we're gonna put them back over there. And she be beating it into her face. So we're gonna take some and we're gonna beat this in. I need a mirror though, because your girl can't see. You gonna beat, like literally beat your face. Hold on. I think I need to make myself, they be looking like them tribe people, them African people. So we gotta make ourselves look like we in a tribe. We are from the Caribbean tribe, okay? So you gonna go here, here, here. I think all of this and do this. Here, here. You want it all over. Okay, you guys, so you're gonna take your little egg and you're gonna beat it into your face. Like you really have to beat all over your face until your face just hurts. Like just beat it into your face, okay? I'm gonna take this mirror right here and we just gonna beat until we can't beat no more. Just keep on beating, you guys. Keep beating. Hold on, girl. Your arm, my arm. We're gonna switch arms because this arm is a little tired. Okay? We're gonna keep beating. Make sure you cover your mustache. You want to look like a girl, not a he-man, okay? Right now, I look like a he-man. Make sure you cover that up, okay? We're gonna put a little more because right now, if your face don't hurt, you ain't doing it right. Make sure you get under that chin because I have a double chin and I be wearing that little spanky thing on my face to try to pull my chin up. But it never works, you guys, because as you see, the chin is just still there. So you can fix that with a little makeup. We're gonna fix that, you guys. We're gonna fix that. Is that enough? One thing Allofdestiny do, y'all, when I be seeing her in here doing the makeup, you know she got them big old bag under her eyes, and I be wondering why she sit there with her eyes so big like that. So when you get into the eyes, you gotta make your eyes real big like that. And then after you get them that big, you do this. They got to be big though. Keep them big. I don't know what they do when they get that big, but baby, her eyes be huge. Do you hear me? Okay, so let me see if I got enough foundation on. Hold up. Okay, so I think we have enough foundation on, you guys. I think we do. Okay, so the next thing she used is, let me see, hold on. Think we got enough foundation. This is the stuff right here that she make her eyes real big off of. This is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. Make your eyes real big. Real big. And you gonna go under like that. Like that. And then she take this little egg. Look, where my egg go? Girl, my egg done went under the thing. She take this little egg looking thing. She get real big again, or she do this. Oh, you gotta really beat, okay? Beat it. And I think you put some right here too. It be here, here, here. And then I think, do it be on the nose? I don't think it be on the nose. And then we beat this in again. Cause her chin real big. I think that's why she be trying to beat it. Thinking it's gonna make it smaller or something. I don't know why she be beating it like that. I be telling her she gotta, you know, accept how God made her. But she can't accept that double chin. I don't know why. She just need to accept how God made her. She just got a big old chin. Okay. So we did that, right? We concealed it all in. Can y'all see? And shout out to Naomi on my YouTube live earlier, y'all, because she really helped me. Yup, here we go. So this is your Anastasia Beverly Hills, you guys. So now we're going to go in with some bronzer. We're going to use this brush, whatever you call this. It look like that right there. It just look like you use it for bronzer. So we're going to, you want to tap lightly, you guys. Just tap, tap, tap that in there. And then just blow off the excess. I think you just blow off the excess. And then you're gonna wanna put this, like, I think right up in here. You know, just give your face a little definition. I think. Give it a little definition. Then you're gonna beat that back in. Make sure you're blending everything, okay? Blend everything. I don't know why the nose, they be putting that stuff on their nose looking like Rudolph, but it be cute a little bit. It be cute, even though it look like Rudolph. Okay, so after, is that enough bronzer? So after the bronzer, she be taking this pink stuff, y'all, and you're gonna wanna smile, and you put it on your cheekbones. And then you're gonna blend that in. Blend it in. So we're gonna take Milani Bake Blush. And we're gonna use this brush right here. This look like it's a good blush brush. That's why it's look like that, I guess. Because it's big as the cheek. You take whatever brush that's big as your cheek. Put it on here. Tap, tap, tap. No, I messed up. We didn't set the foundation. You're going to take this. Set the foundation. Hold up. We need a foundation brush. We're going to use this brush right here. We need a little powder. How you get this powder up out of here? We need some powder. Can I bend this, turn it over without wasting it? We need some powder. That's that thing she be doing like this with. If it make this sound, you have the right powder. Yeah, so you're going to set that foundation. Set it all over. Hold up, we got to get it up out of there. Yeah, there we go. Hold up. Set that in. Set that all over your face. Because we forgot to set. Okay, but we setting that. We just set that in, right? Now we gonna use the blush brush, BB. You gonna do that big, make sure it matches your cheek, okay? And then you go on in and smile and put it on your cheeks. Okay, see, I don't like that stuff, so I'm gonna use this pink stuff, cause this pink stuff like it do better. Whatever this is, y'all. This is high definition concealer, cause you're gonna have high cheekbones. I think that's what that means. But we're gonna go for high definition, like it said. And then you're gonna blend that in. Blend, blend, blend. Cause you wanna look happy. If you don't look happy, you don't have enough, okay? Blend, blend, blend. Beat it in. Beat it. I don't look happy. I don't look happy. We're gonna do a little more. We're gonna try a different brush. We're gonna use this brush. Can y'all see that? Do I got enough? Okay. This is happy as I'm gonna get. Let me check. This is happy as I'm gonna get. And then it's this little brown stuff right here. She be putting in the center of her nose because she got a big old nose. And we want to get that nose smile. We want to get that nose smile, y'all. So you're going to take this stuff right here. Can y'all see it? And do it like that. Because we getting that nose smile. Then put a little more. Because that nose a little big. And then we're going to blend that in. This is what you call a quick makeup tutorial. Y'all see how small that nose get? Clock it, small nose. That's what we going for. We gotta do. Is that everything? Let me look in the mirror. See, do I look like all of this? Wait. They be doing their lips somewhere like them. There we go. Now we did them steps. I think I'm looking like all of this. I don't know. We're going in with the So Glam. And we're going to do these two colors right here. We're going to mix that color with that color. Okay? That's what we finna do. Pay attention. Close your eye a little bit. But my eye be shaking. It must know I'm finna just mess up. You get the shaking and twitching it. A little more. Okay. We're gonna mix a little brown. This color right here, we're gonna mix a little of that in there. Matter of fact, we just gonna mix colors, girls, till it look right. Blend it in. Don't leave it like that. Don't leave it like that. Blend it in. Okay. Y'all see it? We're gonna take this mascara and try not to put our eyes out, okay? Try not to push your eyes out. My eyes get to watering because I be scared. There we go. And then I couldn't find no brow pencil when I was getting my products together. So since this is black, I'm gonna use this on my eyebrows. Mind your business, just follow me. Then we're gonna take this clear stuff, Elf clear brow, and we're gonna go in with it, okay? So we're going in with this little pencil right here. Okay, we gotta bring some color to it. There we go. You can actually get this at your local Dollar Tree. Y'all know Allofdestiny love Dollar Tree. got to put the wig on. So it says we're gonna be all of this, and we're going with this nice bob right here. Good old wig on. Girl, I'm starting hurting a little bit. Bobby on it. Bobby on it in full effect. Why I look white on this camera? Hold on. Okay, we gotta get Bobby on it right. Come on now. Y'all see how I'm coming. I need some lashes. Let's get these lashes on. That's what I'm missing. Allofdestiny never go naked with the eye. She never go naked with the eye. We need some lashes. Let me put these on so I can see. Hold on. Let's find this lash. We going big or go home? We gonna put these lashes on. We got one lash on. We gotta get the other one on. Oh, Bobbiana! Bobby. Hey guys, it's Allofdestiny. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my nails. This is going to be a maintenance vlog. So today we're going to give you a pedicure. We're going to do our makeup. We're going to do our wig. And then, you know, we're just going to go out into the day. I'm going to take myself on a self-day. We're going to go to the park. And we're just going to have a good old time. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit that like button. And yeah, come on in, you guys. And I must say, I think I did a good job. Comment down below how I did. This is my first makeup, y'all. This is my first time doing a whole makeup beat. This is my first time putting on a wig. I actually like myself in bobs. I might have to put this on and look like something, you hear me? Give this video to 10K likes and I'm gonna go full out. Clothes and everything, but you gotta get this video to 10K likes. So that is all for this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we out of here.